Mas mabilis pa rin talaga 'pag over the counter ka mag-process ng MPL. Kasi after mo ma-submit lahat ng requirements, 2 days pa lang na-withdraw mo na yung loan mo. Unlike 'pag online, daming proseso at ang tagal. Hais. Thank you, Sir Romel, for this feedback. At least ngayon, alam mo na kung ano ang mabilis, over-the-counter filing or online filing ng MPL. This is a good comment and feedback for Pag-ibig members na gusto mag-MPL. At least may idea po sila, sir, kung saan yung mabilis at convenient sa kanila. I agree with this, no? Kasi sa online filing, medyo may proseso at sometimes may system glitch pa or offline. Unlike kung over-the-counter filing, malaman talaga agad if may problema or approve. Kasi yung counter personnel ni Pag-ibig ay mag-advise agad sa inyo kung ano yung status. Alright? So, ang challenge lang dito sa over-the-counter filing ay minsan mataas ang pila sa branch. Pero kung maaga ka magdating sa office, as early as 7:30 AM or before 8 AM, maganda yan, okay yan. Right? So congratulations, Sir Romel, and salamat po sa feedback ninyo and comment po. Keep watching my YouTube channel. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.